A glimpse into the past. Robot workers have been around for decades, but their roles were once limited to simple, repetitive tasks. Early examples of industrial robots like the Unimate in the 1960s. How robots have evolved from basic tasks, welding, assembly, to more complex functions, AI-powered automation, data analysis. The current state of robotics. Show current examples of robots used in warehouses, e.g. Amazon's Kiva robots, or factory robots, e.g. automated arms in car manufacturing. Mention the integration of AI and machine learning in today's robots, which allows them to learn and adapt to new tasks without explicit programming. Statistics. Mention statistics on how robotic automation is growing in various industries, e.g. manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. Example. According to a report by McKinsey, robots are expected to automate up to 45% of manufacturing tasks within the next decade. How robot workers will change industries. Manufacturing and warehousing. Discuss how robots will revolutionize the manufacturing sector, not just by performing repetitive tasks, but by improving product quality, minimizing human error, and even conducting predictive maintenance. Example. Collaborative robots, cobots, working alongside human employees to improve efficiency in industries like electronics or automotive. Healthcare and surgery. In healthcare, robotic workers are already assisting in surgeries, from robotic arms used in delicate surgeries to robots delivering supplies in hospitals. Highlight the growing use of robotic prosthetics and exoskeletons, which are helping people with mobility impairments. Talk about AI-powered diagnostic robots that assist doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. Customer service and hospitality. Show how robots are being used in customer-facing roles, like concierge robots in hotels or robotic assistants at airports. Example. Robots like Pepper and Relay that interact with customers, answer questions, and handle tasks like check-ins or room service deliveries. Agriculture. Explore how robots will revolutionize agriculture through precision farming, using autonomous robots to plant, harvest, and monitor crops. Mention the use of drones for field surveys and robots that perform weeding and pest control. The benefits of robot workers. Increased efficiency. Explain how robots can work 24/7 without the need for breaks, sleep, or vacations. This increases overall productivity in industries. Example. Amazon's use of robots in their fulfillment centers, which has drastically sped up package sorting and delivery times. Reduction in human error. Robots are designed to perform tasks with high precision and consistency. This reduces the possibility of human error, especially in tasks like assembly or data entry. Mention how robots can improve safety by performing dangerous tasks, such as handling hazardous materials or working in extreme environments. Cost savings in the long run. While robots can be expensive to install initially, the long-term benefits of reduced labor costs, improved productivity, and minimized waste make them a wise investment. Example. The use of robots in logistics reduces warehouse space needs, increases storage capacity, and speeds up order fulfillment. Improved work environment. With robots handling repetitive, dangerous, or physically taxing work, human workers can focus on more creative, complex, and high-value tasks, improving job satisfaction. Challenges and concerns. Job displacement. One of the biggest concerns with robots taking over certain tasks is the fear of job displacement. As robots take over repetitive jobs, workers might be pushed out of the workforce. Discuss industries like manufacturing, where automation could potentially replace certain human jobs, and the impact it might have on blue-collar workers. Address how economies might need to adjust by focusing on retraining and upskilling workers for new roles. Ethical dilemmas. With more robots working alongside humans, we face new ethical questions. Should robots be allowed to make life-altering decisions, like in healthcare or self-driving cars? Discuss the potential for bias in AI algorithms and the importance of ensuring that robots are programmed with fairness in mind. Security and safety. Highlight concerns about cybersecurity as robots become more integrated into critical industries. With the increased connectivity of robots, there is a risk of cyber attacks on autonomous systems. Talk about the importance of ensuring safe human-robot interactions to prevent accidents. The future vision fully autonomous workplaces. Robotic hardware. Robots come in many shapes and sizes, but how do they work? At their core, robots rely on sensors, actuators, and processors. Sensors like cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and LiDAR help robots understand their environment, while actuators help them move and perform tasks. Robotic arms, like those in factories, use these technologies to assemble products or lift heavy loads. Artificial intelligence. But what makes these robots intelligent? It's all thanks to AI, machine learning algorithms that help robots make decisions. These algorithms help robots adapt, improve performance over time, and even predict outcomes. Highlight examples like deep learning or reinforcement learning, where robots learn through trial and error. Autonomous systems. Many robots of the future will work autonomously. This means no human control is needed. They can work on their own, complete tasks, and even make decisions based on real-time data. Talk about examples such as self-driving cars, autonomous drones, and robotic process automation, RPA, used in office environments. The future impact of robot workers on various sectors. The impact on manufacturing. The manufacturing industry has already seen a revolution thanks to robots. Collaborative robots, cobots, are working alongside humans to make factories more efficient. These robots assist with dangerous or repetitive tasks, while humans focus on quality control, troubleshooting, and assembly processes. The future will see flexible automation, where robots can easily switch tasks based on changing production needs. Robotics in logistics. Warehouses will become fully automated with the rise of robot workers. Companies like Amazon, Alibaba, and DHL are already experimenting with autonomous robots that can pick, sort, and deliver packages. Autonomous forklifts and robotic packers will further streamline supply chains, improving speed and reducing human error. Robots in construction. In construction, robots are set to revolutionize the building process. Autonomous 3D printers are already capable of printing houses, while construction drones can survey building sites and monitor progress. Robots could also assist with the heavy lifting, lowering the risk of injuries for human workers. Agricultural robots. Farming will undergo a major transformation. Agricultural robots can already plow fields, monitor crop health, and harvest produce with extreme precision. Autonomous tractors, drone-based crop monitoring, and robotic weeders will become common in fields. This will reduce pesticide use, optimize crop yields, and reduce the need for manual labor in agriculture. Economic and societal shifts. Job creation in tech and robotics. While robots might replace some jobs, they'll also create entirely new roles in technology, maintenance, and robotics management. Examples: robot technicians who maintain and repair robots, artificial intelligence trainers who teach robots how to perform new tasks, data analysts who work with AI systems to analyze data from robotic processes. Talk about how industries like robotics, engineering, and software development will see a boom in demand. Upskilling and reskilling the workforce. As robots take over manual tasks, workers will need to reskill to work alongside these machines. This is where upskilling programs and retraining initiatives come in. Mention programs designed to help workers learn new skills, such as coding, AI, and robotics maintenance. The changing nature of jobs. Instead of replacing humans entirely, robots will work as assistants or partners. Many jobs will evolve into roles where humans and robots collaborate. Discuss the potential for augmented human performance, where workers wear exoskeletons or interact with robots to complete tasks that would otherwise be difficult. Ethical and social implications of robot workers. Job displacement versus job transformation. A major concern is the displacement of jobs. What happens when robots can do tasks cheaper, faster, and more accurately than humans? Instead of worrying about robots replacing workers, the focus should be on how these technologies transform existing jobs. While routine tasks may be automated, jobs requiring creative thinking, human interaction, and emotional intelligence will still need a human touch. Privacy concerns. As robots become more integrated into the workplace and homes, concerns about data privacy will arise. Will robots collect and store personal data? How can we ensure this data is protected? Discuss the importance of cybersecurity in robot systems, especially as robots become more connected to the internet. Ethics of robot decisions. As robots become more autonomous, they'll be making decisions. Should robots be allowed to make decisions that affect human lives? For example, robots in healthcare or autonomous vehicles making life or death decisions.